Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Miss Cherries and thank you for clicking this video. So today I'll be doing my first impressions of these new products from Cosmetics. They're so soft blush and contour sticks. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I haven't bought anything from Cosmetics in almost a year. I still have one of their liquid or one of their serum blushes, which I also haven't used in a very long time. I have cream and liquid blushes that I prefer to use. So when I saw these new products from Cosmetics, I immediately wanted to try out one of each. So I have one of the shades from the So Soft blush. So this is the shade Passion. I do not have this color, the very bright red orange shade in my makeup collection. So this is a really pretty bright coral red shade. I mean, this is so beautiful. I like a lot of pop on my cheeks. And then I have one of the shades of the So Soft contour sticks. This is the shade Terra, which is the second shade, because the first shade I wanted this one because I wanted something a neutral undertone that I could use to contour my face and also bronzing on my face, because the first color look a little orange in my opinion, so I decided to order this one. Okay, so they retail for $28 each. I'm gonna compare the contour stick with the Makeup by Mario contour stick. I have two shades, medium and medium dark. So I'm gonna read the claims about the contour stick. So for the contour stick, they came out with 4 shades, and look at the shades, guys. There's something for every skin color. If you can only, this is how you do it. If you can only you can only produce 4 shades, this is how you do it. I mean, there's a color for every skin tone. I mean, the darkest shades for the deep dark skin tones are so pretty. They are very dark and rich, so very nice. I mean, very excited about the contour stick. So this one is, I have the shade in Terra. Let me read what Terra, oh my goodness. Okay, so Terra is a milk chocolate with neutral to slightly cool undertones for fair to tan skin. So this is their modern lightweight formula that can be used for bronzing or contouring to achieve your desired look. It's enriched with squalane and vitamin E for a creamy and soft texture that blends effortlessly, creating a sunlit glow or subtle sculpted complexion with a skin-like finish. So this one retails for $30. Same with the blush. So for this one, this is a little bit more expensive. So I think this is made in Korea with a shelf life of 12 months. So this one's a little bit more expensive, like $2 more than the Mario contour stick. So, but the Mario one, this has a little bit more product than this one. I think this has 8 grams or 0.28 ounce. Well, this one from Makeup by Mario, 10.5 grams or 0.37 ounce. So this one has more product and cheaper than this one. So this one's made in USA, while this one is made in Korea. So I'm gonna show you guys, let me swatch this one for you, and then I'm gonna compare this one with the Makeup by Mario contour stick. So this one doesn't come with a brush, thank God, because I don't really care. And same with the blush stick. So let me show you guys the packaging. This is the white box, kind of same as, you know, Makeup by Mario box. It's very hot right now, I'm sweating. Okay, so let me show you the shade. So this is the shade Terra. I'm gonna this is the shade Terra. You can see, guys, looks like very neutral. Oh my god, my camera is not, oh my gosh, it's not okay. There you go. So you can see that very neutral undertone. It's also very emollient, a little bit more emollient than Makeup by Mario. Let's see, I'm gonna swatch the shades medium dark, and I'm gonna try swatch the medium first. So this is the Makeup by Mario. This one comes with a brush, which I don't really use. Let me, oh, there you go. Let me zoom in a little bit because my camera right now is not it's focusing. Okay, so this is the makeup by Mario in shade medium. This is the M Cosmetics shade Terra. This one looks a little bit more, has that red undertone compared to this M Cosmetics one. But I mean, this one is more emollient than the makeup by Mario. So I'm gonna swatch the shade medium dark. Let me try medium dark, maybe here. So this is the makeup by Mario medium dark. So this one from M Cosmetics a little bit more, way more neutral compared to these two shades from makeup by Mario. Wow, very interesting. Let me get a wipe because I'm going to try this out. The contour stick first. I already set my under eyes with a powder, so let's see if it's gonna lift. Because one thing I like about makeup by Mario, doesn't lift off my powder and my foundation. Let's see if this is the same thing as the makeup by Mario. I'm gonna apply this one like maybe in the hollow of my cheeks. You can see it right away because the way my face is shaped. Because I'm going to apply the blush stick all the way here to my cheekbone area, so that's why I decided to apply this one. And I'm gonna contour my nose with this. This is very emollient, way more emollient than the makeup by Mario, and very, see, it's very neutral. And I'm gonna use this brush to blend this out. I'm just gonna tap it because this is how I do all the time, just to prevent, you know, this one patchiness on the face. Oh wow, this is pretty. There you go, blended right away. Right away, melted into the skin right away. Oh my god, this is beautiful. On my forehead. Oh, okay. And we use the same brush. Okay, so for my nose, I am using this very thin brush that I got from BH Cosmetics a long time ago. It's a very nice brush to, if you want to contour your nose. It gives a very precise application. So if you want this contour to last a long time, because this is a cream product, very emollient, apply, you know, a little bit of bronzer, powder bronzer. It's too emollient that the product moves around too much. So especially right now, it's very hot, like 95, 100 degrees somewhere, that this one is gonna move around, and especially if you wear a mask. So this one I think perfect for like fall or winter when your skin is very dry. I have dry skin right now. My skin is not as dry as during, you know, fall and winter. So right now summertime, so wear masks. So if you want to make this one last a long time on you, apply like a bronzing powder on top, because very emollient, very creamy, that it moves around. I feel like it's not gonna last long. While the makeup by Mario is not too creamy, it sticks to the skin, it doesn't move around too much. So but overall guys, I like this one so far. Overall, like this one so far. So I'm gonna move on with the blush stick. So this is in the shade Passion. So they came out with 6 shades, and the shades are very rich and deep, and I really like all of the shades. I also wanted the Venetian Rose, but you know, I've been buying so many blush sticks and contour sticks, so I opted for one shade. So this one is the shade Passion. Let me read The description of this one, Passion, is a vibrant orange red, which is like a very unique shade in my makeup collection. So this is a soft blendable cream blush stick ranging from soft, neutral, so rich, vibrant hues, infused with squalane and vitamin E for a creamy and luxurious texture that applies seamlessly, creating a youthful and healthy complexion with a satin skin finish line. So I like to apply directly to my face. Let's see, it's gonna lift up my foundation and the powder. I already set my under eyes. So same type of packaging as the contour stick, but this one has a slight, like very muted peachy, almost like a peachy pink color. It doesn't really show up so much on the camera, but in person it's like really very muted peachy brown, peachy pink, not brown, what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the shade Passion. Wow, very creamy, kind of reminds me of this contour stick. Wow, very creamy. So let me blend this out. Wow, this is very emollient, very emollient. There you go. Okay, wow, this is pretty. So I'm gonna apply this directly to my face. This is how I like to apply my contour sticks, or blush sticks I should say. I'm gonna apply it all the way to my cheekbone area, and on this side. The one I bought from ABH was like a muted shade, so opted for like a very very bright orange shade. So I'm using a sponge right now because this blush looks way too bright on my monitor, but in person it doesn't really look that bad. I don't know what's going on right now. It's translating different on my monitor. Was heating up. I had to turn it off, so I have to hurry up with this part. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about my final thoughts. So first is the multi-face, also multi-face blade. This one, I was very surprised at was how neutral it was when I swatched it in the back of my hand, and I compared it with the two shades I have from Makeup by Mario. Medium dark was way more neutral. It was more emollient, very creamy, very emollient than the Makeup by Mario. So one negative thing about this one, like I mentioned, it was very emollient that the product, I mean, moved around on my face. So if you want to try this out, if you want to make this one last, maybe use something like a very light powder, bronzing powder. I have two that I highly recommend. I mean, if you have something similar, like very light bronzing powder, you can use whatever you have, but these two, I think I'm gonna use this on top because they are very light. They're not gonna change the color of the contour stick, so that's one thing. But overall, I really like this one. I think this will be perfect for when it's cold, when my skin is very dry. So next one is the self blush. And one thing, it did not lift up my foundation too. Very nice. Did not lift up my foundation, my powder, my concealer. Very nice. Okay, so next one is a So Soft Passion. This one, I don't have something like this in my collection. This is very unique. I like the bright orange red shade. Same with this one. I applied it directly to my face. It did not lift up my foundation, my concealer, my powder, but it did not blend out very well with a dense brush. I had to use my sponge with the sponge and blend it out better. But overall, I still like this one. Very nice. They are very emollient. Very emollient. I think these will be perfect for this, coming fall and winter is very, cold, and my skin is very dry. If you have oily skin, you have to be careful because these are very emollient. These are very emollient products. So let me know, guys, what you think about the new Cosmetics products, the contour and the blush sticks. Let me know. Please comment down below. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. My throat is very dry. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.